Solanda's in the background doing some last minute packing, unpacking, or whatever. And I'm sitting here figuring out this new gimbal device. Right, babe? There's Solanda in the back. She's getting ready for the cruise tomorrow. Right, babe? Look like not right, babe. We are getting ready for the cruise. It's the night before the cruise. So it's like Embarkation Eve. Right, babe? Babe not talking right now. She gets, you know how people get like hunger and hangry. I think she get like that for the cruise. So she's a little crangry. Yep. That's a word. Babe? She said a bad word. Shalonda used a bad word. But that's all right. Tomorrow, she's going to be very excited. Right, babe?
Whatever. Stop playing with me.
So you need to get on the cruise quick. So testing 1, 2, and 3. She seems a bit upset. Don't worry, babe. When we wake up in the morning, it'll be time to get on the cruise. So she's putting her luggage on the bed. Yeah, getting ready. Yeah, that's the look right there. That's it. See you tomorrow.